Single-serve coffee maker for K-cup pot and ground coffee, small-size coffee machine, fast brewing, strength control and self-cleaning function. 2-in-1 brewing function. Whether you want to brew a K-cup or make a cup of ground coffee, this single-cup coffee machine can help you. 2 buttons help you easily choose 2 ways to brew coffee. The water amount in the single-serve coffee machine can range from 6 ounces to 14 ounces. You can control the amount of water based on the coffee flavor you need. Ease to use, fast brewing. The fast brewing of this K-cup coffee machine provides you a cup of coffee in 3 minutes. Fill the tank with water, insert a K-cup pot, or pour in ground coffee, press the button, the hot coffee would be ready soon. Making coffee is that simple. Auto shutdown and self-cleaning function. This single-cup coffee maker turns off automatically when the brewing process is completed or the tank is out of water. No longer to worry about forgetting to turn off the mini coffee machine. Press the 2 button at the same time, and this single-cup coffee machine could be self-cleaned. Space-saving brewer. The compact design for this small coffee maker makes it easy to carry with anywhere, such as a travel car, hotel, desk, a small kitchen counter, apartment or a lounge. We offer you a solution to make delicious coffee in a narrow place. 100% satisfaction with lifetime service. Surapo hopes that this personal single-serve coffee maker will meet all your brewing needs. If you have any problem, confusion, or dissatisfaction, contact us without any reason for a new one or money back. We will offer our best service to resolve within 12 hours. With this level of purchase protection combined with our feature-rich coffee brewer, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.